Think embroidery is difficult? Today I'll show you 3 adorable embroidery designs that even complete beginners can make with ease. And trust me, the last one is my favorite. For our first design, we're making this adorable mini tulip bud. It may look detailed, but it's surprisingly easy to create. Start by wrapping the thread around the stick to form the petals, then add a few simple green stitches for the leaves and stem. In just a few minutes, you'll have this cute little flower that's perfect for decorating clothes, handkerchiefs, or embroidery hoops. Our second design is this elegant little daisy flower. It may look intricate, but it's made using simple looped stitches that beginners can easily follow. One petal at a time, the flower slowly comes to life, creating a soft and delicate design that's perfect for adding a charming touch. Finally, we have this adorable little rose design. It might look complicated at first, but all it takes is wrapping the thread into a simple spiral to create these beautiful rose petals. Add a couple of tiny leaves and you'll have a charming floral design that's perfect for beginners and guaranteed to make your embroidery stand out.